Cleaner, more flexible with efficient use of space. In light of smog and traffic chaos in many cities, there's a need for redesigning sustainable mobility. But what does mobility of the future look like? The car of the future will drive itself, leaving people free to read the newspaper or work during the trip. It can also find the next available parking spot all on its own and come back when it's summoned. At the same time, networked cars will communicate with each other and be able to give warning about potential hazards. Charging cables are a thing of the past. Instead, electric cars of the future are able to get power from charging points built into the asphalt. The car just needs to drive over a slab in order to start the inductive charging. The energy is transmitted to the car's battery by a magnetic field between two coils, one located in the floor of the car and a second one in the asphalt slab under the car. Instead of fixed traffic lights and painted-on pedestrian crossings, the intelligent city automatically analyzes sensors located in places such as cars and public transit vehicles. It can tell, for instance, where a pedestrian wants to cross the street and then project the necessary signals. There can also be variable speed limits and detour suggestions that appear on the road in order to help keep traffic flowing. Public self-driving capsules operate like a taxi on rails, allowing for personalized routes on public transportation. There are no fixed schedules. The capsules are just ordered via smartphone when needed. Without having to lift a finger, passengers will be whisked to their desired destination by these innovative vehicles. Future mobility will also transform metro systems. Turbopods will automatically carry passengers at enormous speeds through a system of tubes which minimize friction and aerodynamic drag. These systems use their propulsion energy extremely efficiently. Once accelerated to its peak speed, the pod just continues rolling along without any additional energy inputs. The massive amount of energy required to reach a speed of up to 1,200 kilometers per hour is generated on-site, from solar cells applied to the top of the tubes. And if traffic's jamming up again on the ground, lift up and leave it behind. Simply by extending their wings, the helicopter-like high flyers can conquer the skies.
BASF. We create chemistry.